It's a joy and privilege to be the principal at Sharda World School, a vibrant environment where teaching and learning in an outstanding helps students achieve excellent results in a supportive and calm environment, making them self-confident, having self-belief and a can-do attitude. Children also have the opportunity to excel and shine in extracurricular activities like art, theatre, dance and sports. They have the freedom to take personal responsibility, to think for themselves and to understand service to communities as we prepare them for an exciting future. Sharda World School is a daily reminder that a good school can embed the attitudes and the attributes for a fulfilling future ahead. Our website will give you a glimpse into all the wonderful things that our students do, but I would encourage you to visit our school and get a first-hand impression and soak in the spirit of the Sharda World School. I hope I will have the opportunity of meeting you and showing you around the school of all the wonderful things that the Sharda World School stands for.